Hello guys, introducing the AA-52 machine gun. This is a French machine gun. This is how it looks like. The barrel, I would have to say, is ridiculously long. Now, I'm not a very good builder when it comes to machine guns, so of course there will be some parts where I may have made a mistake, but this it still works like an ordinary machine gun. And you open it, close it, just use charging hand. It's just all that. I forgot the caliber is loaded in, but if I were to guess, it would be 7.62 by 51 millimeters. Now, hopefully, I'm very good at reloading this, like I did with the MG3. But let's just load it in the rounds here. Now let's just try to. Yeah, you get it. Now, honestly, the only reason why I built this is because I'm like, what machine gun should I build? Oh, I see a machine gun on the Leclerc tank. It's the AA-52. Anyways, that's all I know about this machine gun. It's a French machine gun, changes 7.62 by 51, and that's all. I'll see y'all next time with a new weapon.